Hi, welcome to my townhouse. What I'm going to show you is our new uh, our new TV, which is a Sony flat TV. So I'm watching right now Pinoy Extreme. So that is the Pinoy Extreme. So I'm going to show you other programs. So that one the AXN. So that's the AXN. So this is the new show today. So you can see that the camera is really no, getting the picture of the on screen. My sister brought this flat screen TV yesterday. It is replacement of the previous TV, which is already which is not working, which is damaged because of electrical problem, electrical fluctuation. So that's it, the AXN. That one is this is the Star World, the show. That one. Also this one. That one is a Jack TV. This one is the Velvet channel. And also this one. This is the BTV. And
Cannons and tear gas were fired at protesters outside
that's
India
the
Gate. That
CNN.
day I felt whatever was happening
Okay, I will
wasn't right.
continue this on
Our
the next
daughter's life
video.
was
Thank you for
already at
watching. Bye
stake.
bye.
If